Hello, my name is Kritika Borman. I am studying botany at Tufanganj Mahavidyalaya. I am going to present my seminar on the topic protoplast culture. So, let's get started. Protoplast. Protoplasm of a living plant whose cell wall has been removed. This is one technique of tissue culture or one type of tissue culture. Tissue culture is the growth of tissues or cells separate from the organism. So is that in the cell, if we remove the cell wall and the rest is present is protoplast. In culture medium, protoplast used as explant. Explant preparation, when cultured on appropriate medium, can give rise to an organized growing and dividing of cells. When explant is produced, then we do culturing of it or the explant. For culturing, the medium is provided to it, which is important for growth of a living organism in where there may be present nutrients which provide nutritions, or there may be present hormones or chemical substances which help in growth of a living organism, And when the explant is placed in the medium, then the cell divides and form a mass of cells. Then a whole plant body is formed. In protoplast culture, leaf, root, and stem parts are used. In protoplast culture, the cell wall has been removed. When cell wall has been removed, then the rest is present is protoplast, which used as a explant. In the isolated protoplast, the outer plasma membrane is fully exposed. The cell wall is very rigid, which is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin. And when the cell wall is removed from the protoplasts, are fragile and can be easily damaged. Therefore, it must be cultured so carefully. Protoplasts can be plated out onto solid medium and callus produced. Protoplast isolation. The cell wall is removed in two steps. So there is two general approaches to removing the cell wall. The first one is mechanical isolation. In this mechanical isolation, the plasma membrane become damaged. So the quality of mechanical isolation's quality is poor and often results in low yields. And the second method is enzymatic method, in where enzyme is used. There are chemical substances which regulate the process or reaction. In this process, the enzymes remove from the cell wall. The cellulase and pectinase enzymes are used in this method. As we know, cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. So, cellulase and pectinase enzyme is used. The breakdown of cellulose, the cellulose enzyme is used. And for the pectinase enzyme is used. Because these two enzymes are used in this method, and these two enzymes work specifically. Leaves are mostly used as a explant. When leaves in this enzymatic picture, we can see that the picture of leaves are taken in this picture. Leaves are mostly used as explant. When when leaves are incubate in enzyme, then the enzymes digest the cell wall. Then only protoplast is present. Then protoplasts are poured into centrifuge machine. Intact protoplasts are separated from broken protoplasts. They are through centrifuge and removed by a pipette as they are collected at the top of the tube. After that, the protoplasts are placed in a medium and then the whole plant is formed. Whole plants can be regenerated by organogenesis or somatic embryogenesis from the callus. Somatic embryogenesis. Somatic embryogenesis is a process where a plant or embryo is derived from a single somatic cell or group of somatic cells. If we want to bring any variations in plant or change the characters of plant, the semiclonal variation is done. It is the variation seen in plants that have been produced by plant tissue culture. In somatic cells, the mutagens are subjected into the cells. Mutagens are substances which bring changes in the cells. When the mutagens are used, the variation is occur in cells and the different plant will form. Therefore, the plant will be different from the parent plant. Factors affecting protoplast culture: plant species and varieties, plant age and organ, pre-culture condition, pre-treatment to the tissue before variation, protoplasts, and density. Application of protoplasts. Protoplast can be used in the production of hybrid for somatic hybridization to overcome sexually incoming species, ingesting foreign material into cytoplasm for DNA transformation, used to study wall synthesis and decomposition and studied as single cell system. Importance of protoplast culture are following are study of osmotic behavior, study of IAA action, study of plasma lemma, study of cell wall formation, organelle isolation, study of morphogenesis, virus uptake and replication, study of photosynthesis and gene transfer. So, hereby my seminar is done. Thank you.